Create professional jewelry appraisals in minutes on the Zing platform. The Jewelry Appraisal Solution leverages Gemworld's expertise to make the process fast and easy. This video will walk you through how to create an appraisal. After you've created your Zing platform account and your Jewelry Appraisal Solution module has been activated, log in and navigate to the feature on your dashboard. We'll click Let's Go to view our appraisal dashboard. Here, you can start a new appraisal, search your appraisal history, edit an appraisal, and print and email appraisals for your clients. Click Update Preferences to upload your store logo if you want it to appear on your appraisals. Here, you can also set your default preferences, such as the location, store name, appraiser name and title, and the document title you want printed on the final document. These preferences can be edited as needed when creating each appraisal. Alright, let's get started. We'll click Create New Appraisal. We'll start by entering customer details, including name, email address, and phone number. Next, we'll enter the jewelry wearer's name. The fields will automatically populate with the customer's name. You can change the name if a different person will be wearing the jewelry item. Now, select the appraisal location if you have more than one. The Prepared By field will automatically display the name and address for the location selected. This information will be printed on the appraisal. You may edit this field if you'd like. Now, we'll click Continue. Next, we'll type the customer's street address in the search bar. Once it appears, we'll click on it to autofill the address fields. You can also manually type it in. We'll click Continue, and now we'll describe the jewelry item and attach any photos and documentation. We'll start with the jewelry type. We'll select a ring, and we'll choose the ring style from the drop-down. Style choices change based on the jewelry type. Notice, if you were to select a chain, different styles show up in the drop-down menu. Now we'll select the ring's gender and the condition. We'll enter the total weight. You have the option of grams or penny weight. And now we'll select the metal type. Carat content and color options depend on the type of metal selected. Notice we picked gold, but if we pick platinum group, the options in the drop-down change. Next, we'll select the carat content and color, and you can enter any additional information you want included on the appraisal here. Now we can click Add Document or Add Picture to upload either or both items. This is optional. Only the first 3 pictures you upload will appear on the appraisal document. We'll click Continue and add gems. You can add diamonds, colored stones, and pearls. If you were appraising an item such as a chain and had no gems to add, you would select Complete Valuation. But we are doing an appraisal for a 3-stone ring, so we'll add a diamond for the center stone by selecting Add Diamonds. We'll choose the style of cut, color, clarity, quality of cut, and carat weight. The wholesale value of the diamond will appear. Under some circumstances, it's possible a wholesale value for the specs entered cannot be generated. Simply type in your wholesale value to proceed. We'll click Save. And now we'll add a colored stone by clicking Add Colored Stones and complete the same process. We'll select the species and variety of the stone, and then select additional characteristics such as the style of cut, clarity, quality of cut, overall quality, and carat weight. Since we have a 3-stone ring, we'll change the quantity to 2 emeralds, one on either side of the diamond with the same characteristics, and we'll adjust the total carat weight. The wholesale value of the 2 stones appears. If the 2 emeralds had different quality characteristics, you would add them individually. Click Save to add these 2 stones to the appraisal. Now on this page, we can remove or edit the gems. We'll click Complete Valuation. A summary of the items we entered appears, and the retail insurance appraisal value is automatically calculated. This is the number that will print on the appraisal. You can make additional edits to the wholesale values of the items or reset them if necessary. You can also adjust the retail insurance appraisal value based on your expertise and knowledge of the item. Since we set our preferences, the name and title of the person submitting the appraisal and the type of document auto-filled. You can change this information on an individual appraisal if needed. We'll click Review and Complete. We can preview the final document, which includes the item's estimated retail value, the item details, pictures, customer information, who prepared the document, and on what date. If you find any errors, you can edit the document. Everything looks good, so we'll complete the appraisal. This will automatically send the customer an electronic copy of their appraisal, along with information on how to protect their jewelry with Jewelers Mutual Group. You can also print a hard copy if you'd like. We can start another appraisal for the same customer by clicking New Appraisal, and the customer's information will autofill for us. Or we can return to the dashboard by clicking Appraisal Dashboard. You now have all the basic information you need to create an appraisal using the Jewelry Appraisal Solution on the Zing platform.